That's badass. I don't care who you are. Alright guys, here we are, test drive time. Motor's been broken in, been tuned on the dyno. Everything's working well. I've got some gauge cluster covers that are coming today for mainly to change the rev limiter on the tack and give it a little more pizzazz. But we transported the car down to Mexico where there's no speed limit. It's kind of strange. For some reason they have snow down here too. It's kind of weird. But here you can see a clapped out 350Z coming our direction. Yep, we know where we're at now. So you can get a little bit of a taste of the tone of the exhaust. That's with the cutouts open. This is with the cutouts closed. And then the beauty is we've got different settings in between. So this is when you get to 90% throttle, 60%, 20%. So on the 20% you can cruise, and then when you get to 20% throttle, it opens up. So that's actually going to work out really well for just cruising around town or cruising on the highway and then giving someone a surprise. So there's no speed limits down here, which is why we came. So we can do a quick little test run here. Give you guys a taste of how fast this car is. So this is third gear I'm in now out of the six speed. So let's take a left here and get after it. That's 110 right there. So we're in fifth gear, 90 miles an hour, 3,500 RPMs. Sixth gear drops it to 2,500 RPMs at 90 miles an hour. This thing just rock and rolls. Nice and smooth, barely have to hold on to the steering wheel. That's at 90. There's 100. 110. Just cruising. I love it. Man, that torque just puts you back in the seat big time. Such a smooth running engine. Not really revving it up that high, about 5,500 I think. I wasn't really watching it all that closely. But man, I just couldn't be happier with the way this car performs. The brakes are just amazing. And the transmission just works like a charm. I really love it. Alright, we'll go full open. Got a nice crackle on the D-cell. What a cool car. Alright, second gear. We'll attempt a second gear pull here. It's not going to work. It's only about 20 degrees outside. Yeah. That's what I'm talking about. This baby will burn the tires. I love it. wait till you get up to about 60 miles an hour. It's going to spin the tires. These are pretty big tires on this car, but like I said, pretty cold down here. It's only 20 degrees outside. So the tires are cold, asphalt's cold. But yeah, this car is just awesome. It's even got a great radio. Oh man. Hope you guys have enjoyed the all of the videos, including the build process of the car. Make sure you check out the dyno time, and I think the customer's going to be very happy. I know I'm happy. There's a couple of dash lights and errors that are part of the integration of the CAN system that the customer is going to work through himself. It does not affect the way that the car drives at all. The engine and the throttle and all of that is controlled through the GM ECU. Everything on the dash is just the Mazda stuff. So, being as this is the only ND2 that's been built with one of these motors, there's certainly going to be a couple of items that are going to need to get fiddled with, and you know, to get some of these dash lights off. But all of that's doable. No such thing as can't be done. Appreciate you guys watching. Stay tuned for the next awesome JPM performance project. Take care, guys. You're gonna pass just about everything except for a gas station in this car.